Hey guys, my name is Ahmed. Welcome to Learn English with the youngest teacher ever, where we can learn the most important idioms for our conversation. Another information which is all the explanations should be in English, but sometimes my brother and I will explain it in Arabic. It might be challenging for you, but you have to prove yourself and your skills of understanding. So, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit the bell down below to receive any new lesson. So, let's start. So guys, we are back here. Today we have two different idioms. So the first one is everything but the kitchen sink. Everything but the kitchen sink. What does this idiom mean? Alright, let's see the words in this idiom. We have everything but the kitchen sink. We know the kitchen, we know everything. And sink, what is sink? Alright guys, this is the picture of sink. This is sink. So we will not translate it literally, means word by word. So guys, this is an idiom. Today I will not give you an example. You have to think of the meaning and then watch this kind of show or these examples from TV series, from different TV series, from native speakers, how they speak, how the tone of their voice is going up or down.
Looking for someone. Guy named Lincoln Burrows.
Link the sink?
That what they're calling him now?
Yeah, and Veneer come at you with everything but the kitchen. Snowflake.
I'm just gonna add it.
Oh, so we can add things now?
Yeah, why not, right? I mean, we got the time and we got the ink.
Everything but the kitchen sink.
What did I just say?
So guys, after watching the example, did you get the meaning of it? So, native speakers use this idiom for humorous situation, for fun situations. So the meaning of it is everything you can think of. Everything you can think of. The idiom is everything but the kitchen sink, which means everything you can think of. Everything you can think of. Thank you guys. This is the end of the first idiom, and let's see the second idiom of today. Let's go. Yes guys, we are back for today's second idiom. The second idiom for today is the hair comes out and the gloves come on. So, what do we mean by this idiom? And where do we use this idiom? What is the meaning of this idiom in English or the synonym of it in English? So guys, another thing or the examples of today's also will be with TV series. So watch this scene and then we will be back to discuss the meaning of this idiom and the explanation of it.
I should really get back to work.
Yeah, otherwise someone might get what they actually ordered.
Well.
Oh, the hair comes out and the gloves come on.
Guys, after watching the examples, did you get the meaning? Or did you understand what this idiom means or refers to? So, I'll give you the meaning of it, or what does it refer to. So guys, it refers to a verbal bunches or insults. A verbal bunches or insults. What do we mean by bunches? A bunch is like this. It's a box in the face. This is, we call it bunch. So, verbal, what do we mean by verbal? By using words. It means literally a verbal, not physical, but it is verbal attack, verbal bunch or verbal box, verbal insult. When you give the person a slap. Guys, this is what we mean by this idiom. The hair comes out and the gloves come on. The hair comes out and the gloves come on. So this idiom means you have already insulted me. You have already insulted me or gave me a bunch. Gave me a bunch. So guys, we are finished from the second idiom. Finally guys, we have finished from today's idioms. First idiom was everything but the kitchen sink. The second idiom was the hair comes out and the gloves come on. So guys, I'm telling you again, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell down below to receive any new lesson. Guys, we have videos just like this. If you didn't watch them, please go back to our channel and then watch them. you will find so many idioms like this, useful idioms and conversational idioms. So see you next time.
لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.